Hi, I'm Superbot Poljan, 24 from Malolos, Bulacan. I stand for self-empowerment through fitness because I believe through fitness we can all unleash our full potential. Kung kaya ko, kaya nyo. Let's go!
Here to redefine what the dad bod is. I believe that fitness is not about having the perfect body, but it's about being strong, healthy, and being able to show up better for your family. If a dad of 4 can do it, so can you.
I'm your Superbot RC, 27 from Calaca, Batangas. I'm an advocate of fitness accessibility for rural communities. Naniniwala ko na kahit saan ka pang parte ng mundo, you can be fit.
Sa inyong tanan, I am Superbot J, a proud Bisaya. I'm 38 years old and I stand for body positivity because everybody matters, no matter what your fitness level is, no matter what your age, and no matter your body type is. You are valued, you are seen, and you belong.
I'm Superbot Kim, 31 years old, and I'm the first trans man under male category in Century Tuna Superbot 2026! Fitness has shaped my confidence to empower myself and others, and now I'm here to make a change.
Dom, and after helping my mom recover from a stroke, I'm advocating for our parents because they spent their whole lives helping raise us, and now it is our turn to help them live healthier and longer lives with us.
Baby Kekongan, I am Herschel Sanchez, 40 years old from San Fernando, Pampanga. As a former OFW breadwinner and part of this sandwich generation, I am here to remind everyone that it is not too late to choose yourself. Self-care is not selfish. Let us rewrite what's possible together.
This is Superbot Amir, advocating for having a limitless mindset. Losing my leg, bone cancer, and being an athletic athlete, I know for a fact that our bodies have limits, but that shouldn't limit us from reaching our potentials. It's up to us to deviate from the norm and defy the odds. So this is not only mine, but our Superbot era.
Superbot Era 28. I represent a new generation of health where every body is worthy. And what matters is that you focus every day to be authentic and unapologetically you. And I! Thank you.
To the Superbots, I'm Superbot Christoph, 32 from Mandaluyong City.
advocating better choices for your mind, body, and soul. Because the best achievement in your life isn't your careers or possessions, but it's your bodies. Shift your life today so that you can have a better tomorrow.
Gabihin ninyong tanan! I am Superbad Lorenzo, 27 years old from Cebu City. My journey proves that every setback can become a comeback. And with my advocacy, 5 Bs, building better bodies beyond basketball, I wish young athletes to choose discipline, health, and a stronger future. Thank you.
Hello, I am Superbad Rafael, 26 years old from Cebu City. I advocate for peak physical fitness or optimal health. I believe it's very important not just to stay physically healthy, but mentally, emotionally, and spiritually as well.
Usman, I am Superbad Prince, 30 years old, and I represent the gaming, cosplay, and pop culture community. Therefore, I relate to people who were once bullied and shunned away by society. I strongly advocate in normalizing conversations about men's mental health and self-care.
Hello everyone, I am Ninoy Vandenberg. I am 30 years old from Makati City. I am standing here to advocate for accessible physical and mental health through dance and through movement. Maraming salamat po, e mabuhay ang Century Superbad Era!
Hi, I'm Superbad Josh, 53 years old, husband to 1 wife, father of 5 kids, and lolo of 3. I'm advocating to thrive a legacy of commitment and discipline through fitness, not only in my generation, but to the present and to the generations to come.
Mga ate, I am Superbad Ken, fashion stylist, designer, creative director, 36 years old from Mandaluyong City. I didn't come here to fit the standard. I came here to expand it. Because if they can, definitely we can.
YOB, or bring your own baon, is my simple advocacy. Hindi kailangan maging mahal. Kailangan mo lang tamang choices. Ako po si Ricardo De Jesus, 38, from Pampanga.
What's up, Superbad fam? Woo! My God, can't believe it. My name is MJ, Superbad MJ, 27 from Paranaque City. And
You may figure out there's a knee. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. It's a kneecap right here. I have a torn ACL, a torn ligament in my ankle, and I found out I'm one of those people who is in the 1% who have this injury. But it takes a lot to tear this hard. I want to prove that everyone together, we can show that everyone deserves wellness and everybody deserves it together. Take care.
Mabuhay! I am Superbad Arvin, 26, from Tondo, Manila. I have found the silver lining. Through courage, resilience, and discipline. Life is not poor and sad anymore because we are now rich in health knowledge and happy with the result. Health is for everyone, so everyone, move!
Good evening, everyone. I'm Superbot Austin, 27 years old, advocating for proper, accessible nutrition. Because I believe having a healthy nutrition and food will not also make you physically fit, but also mentally capable. Thank you.